Hey guys, so today I have some chicken flautas. I have two made with corn tortilla and one made with flour tortilla, which will be my first time trying. I seen a girl on here make them like that and they looked pretty yummy. So we're gonna try the flour one first. It has salsa roja, lettuce, no, repollo, tomate, cebolla, queso y crema. That's really good. So now we're gonna try regular corn. By the way, guys, I'm drinking a blackberry sparkling ice. Last bite.